The biggest feedback for this retreat is that I'm doing it back to back for the second time in just 1 month. It is that good, it is that transformational, and it is that life changing. I have some knowledge about various change making techniques, but the techniques that are covered in this retreat, they are absolutely mind blowing. It's not about managing emotions or managing negative emotions anymore. It's about how you can delete them instantly within minutes. And it is actually very easy to do them. It takes minutes, especially the technique of kinosis, wherein you can change decades old beliefs in just 2 minutes. And the results are instantaneous. I could never imagine that it might be so easy to install belief in yourself without any fundebazi, and so simply. It is absolutely mind blowing. The hypnosis sessions that Anil sir takes, they take you so deep in trance. They relax you. They make you feel so amazing. I don't have words to describe them and all the things that he installs in while in trance. Also, radical forgiveness session deserves a very specific mention. It completely changes the way you look at life when it comes to people who might have caused you hurt, events which might have pained you, etc. And when you do this technique, you realize the real truth behind them. And suddenly you are not powerless anymore, you are not helpless anymore, and you know how to finally let go and get that release. Each and every technique in this retreat is so great. So, even the food, they are so particular about the food that they train the chef what food is to be served. They give recipes, and it is unbelievable to imagine that healthy food, gluten free food, free of onion, garlic, sugar, etc., can taste that good. Lots and lots of food items, amazing experience. To anyone watching, I'd say give yourself the gift of this 2.5 days. Trust me, your life will change. And it's not just for the sake of saying it. I've done this twice and I will be doing it for the third time. That's the biggest testimonial I can give for this retreat.